Hello there, I'm Mary Ellen and this is my channel Life is Messy, but I am learning as I grow. Here you'll find DIY crafts, plant-based recipes, videos of my cats, and all the beautiful chaos of my real-life endeavors. Nothing's perfect here. I'm just figuring it out as I go and sharing the messy magic along the way. If that sounds like something you are into, subscribe and follow so we can keep growing and learning together.
Get ready to fall in love with this easy, flavorful plant-based vegan stuffing recipe. A cozy, dairy-free dish perfect for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or any day you crave comfort food. This classic holiday side is made with simple, wholesome ingredients like onions, celery, carrots, and savory broth, all soaked into golden bread cubes and baked to perfection. Whether you're hosting a big family dinner or just want a warm, homey meal, this vegan stuffing is sure to bring smiles to the table. Ingredients: 1 cup chopped carrots, 1 cup chopped onion, 1 cup chopped celery, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 4 tablespoons plant-based butter, 2 cups vegetable or no chicken broth, 1 20 ounces, bag seasoned bread cubes or stuffing mix, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: prep your veggies. Chop the carrots, onions, and celery into small, even pieces for the perfect bite. Sauté. In a large frying pan, melt 4 tablespoons of plant-based butter over medium heat. Add onions, garlic, carrots, and celery. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally, until the veggies are tender and fragrant. Add broth. Pour in your vegetable or no chicken broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then remove from heat. Combine with bread cubes. In a large mixing bowl, add your 20-ounce bag of bread cubes. Pour the hot veggie and broth mixture over the bread, and mix until everything is evenly coated and slightly softened. Bake. Transfer the stuffing mixture into a 9x14 baking dish. Cover with foil and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Crisp it up. Remove the foil and bake for another 10 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and slightly crispy. This easy vegan stuffing is proof that holiday classics don't need dairy or meat to be delicious. It's warm, hearty, and full of nostalgic Thanksgiving flavor. Perfect alongside mashed potatoes, cranberry sauce, and roasted veggies. Whether you're serving it at your holiday table or as a weeknight comfort meal, this plant-based stuffing brings love and flavor in every bite. So grab your mixing bowl, turn on your oven, and let's make this simple, dairy-free stuffing recipe together.
So much for hanging out with me today. Subscribe and stick around so we can craft and cook through the holidays together. I've got so many fun DIYs, recipes, and cozy ideas coming your way. Don't forget to check out my older videos too. There's plenty of holiday magic waiting for you there. Let's make this year messy, fun, and full of memories. See you next time.